My name is Lorenzo Escobar. I'm the owner of Inception Auto Detailing based in Oakville, Ontario. We are a specialized XPEL installer of protective films, window tinting, and ceramic coating. We have been in business for just over 10 years and we've been featured internationally on multiple media outlets such as GQ Magazine, Entrepreneur Magazine, Forbes Magazine, and the like. What we are working on today here is a Tesla Model Y that's getting an XPEL Stealth paint protection film application. What is the difference between the Stealth and regular film? And here I'll come show you. So if you see that this is a pearl white Model Y, over here is just the paint itself when you pick it up from factory. So after, it's very clear, it's very gloss. There are owners where you have an option for a clear film or a what's called a Stealth matte paint protection film. So now in terms of paint protection, there's no difference in terms of the thickness, but appearance wise, if you can see here on the fender, but also on the hood area, the Stealth film has been installed there, so it makes it into a more matte or satin finish versus the gloss. Do people like generally the Stealth or regular film? And what I can say is it depends on the person. So it depends on the person, the budget, how much investment you'd like to do, because at the end of the day, when you're doing the Stealth film paint protection application, you actually have to wrap the full vehicle, which can be a bit more costly in terms of your investment, versus if you go for the regular film, you can wrap places that's in portion where you don't have to invest as much, but still get the same protection on the high impact areas of the car. Observe as to how the installation works on this Model Y bumper with the XPEL Stealth film. Drying out the edges so the film can actually stick, and then after this is done, I do have to make some minor trims because with the XPEL Stealth there are extra material on these edges where you have to custom cut it so it's right at the edge where it's nice and seamless and you can't tell that there's a film unless you look very close. It gives it a very unique look because not every car has the matte color. So if you wanted something different in terms of appearance but having the same level of protection as the clear film, the XPEL Stealth is the way to go. We are in Oakville, Ontario at 373 Wycroft Road, Unit A in Oakville, Ontario. You can visit our website at inceptionautodetailing.com.